Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines on how I spent my holidays. 1. Woke up late every day feeling relaxed and happy. 2. Played lots of games with friends and family at the park. 3. Went swimming in the pool to beat the summer heat. 4. Visited grandma and grandpa's house for a sleepover. 5. Watched my favorite cartoons and movies. 6. Tried new recipes with mom in the kitchen. 7th, explored the nearby forest, spotting birds and butterflies. 8. Built a cool fort in the backyard with blankets and pillows. 9. Had a picnic at the beach, collecting seashells and building sand castles. 10. Read exciting adventure books and comics before bedtime. Thank you watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.